Welcome! We are so happy you can join us for Reading Text Out Loud. This is the second of our Are You Chrome Ready workshops being offered through May. If you were unable to attend the first workshop, Navigating the Built-in Accessibility Features of a Chromebook, please be sure to watch the recorded session on our AIMVA website. That video recording will guide you through the steps on how to quickly manage the built-in accessibility features in a Chromebook. Today, we will cover reading text out loud. It is important for you to know that we will be specifically addressing the Chromebook, for it is designed with two accessible reading tools, Chromevox and Select to Speak. We will be covering these tools along with the keyboard shortcuts for accessing them. These shortcuts are especially important for individuals who have visual impairments and for those who may physically struggle to activate the accessibility options. Please note that the Chrome browser does not have built-in tools for reading out loud. For the Chrome browser used on a Mac or a PC, one has to download accessible reading extensions through the Chrome Web Store. Both Chromevox and Select to Speak are available as extensions. So let's get started. Chromevox is what is known as a screen reader and is built in to provide individuals with visual impairments access to a Chromebook. To enable Chromevox, go to the Systems menu on your Chromebook located in the lower right-hand corner of your screen and click on the accessibility icon. Note, if you do not have the accessibility icon in your menu, please review our Navigating the Built-in Accessibility Features of a Chromebook workshop located on our AIM Virginia website for help. Now that you are on the accessibility menu, you can enable Chromevox by simply clicking on it or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Alt-Z. I am going to use the keyboard shortcut.
Screencast watermark. Screencast watermark. Chromevox spoken feedback is ready.
To open the Chromevox options, I could scroll and click, but instead, I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Search O. The search key has the icon, which looks like a magnifying glass.
Tab create Chromevox options. Increase pitch. Menu item. 2 of 2. English United States. Menu item. 12 of 34.
Once on the Chromevox options page, positioned as a tab on the desktop, its features can be adjusted. To turn features on or off, you can click on the button or press Search spacebar to toggle. If you need to go backwards on this page at any time, press Shift-Tab. I am going to enable the Speak Text Under the Mouse feature by turning it on.
Speak text under the mouse. Checkbox. Checked. Press Search plus space to toggle. Speak text under the mouse. Checkbox. Checked. Press Search plus space to toggle.
So that you can hear this feature work, I'm going to navigate to another tab by pressing Shift-Control-Tab.
Home, Accessible Instructional Materials for Virginia tab.
We can hear the tabs as I move to them.
A Breath of Fresh Air 1.rtf Google Docs tab.
Chromevox also allows the user to listen to the apps available on the shelf, such as Gmail, YouTube, and Google Docs. To turn Chromevox off and on, toggle Ctrl-Alt-Z. Now, let's look at the Select to Speak feature, a built-in accessibility tool on the Chromebook that allows specific text to be selected on a page and read out loud. This option is particularly helpful to students who have other print-related challenges. To enable Select to Speak, return to the Systems menu and select Accessibility and the Select to Speak feature. Going to the Select to Speak settings enables you to further personalize how the voice sounds. You can select the text-to-speech settings to go to speech properties. Here, you can use the sliders to adjust the rate, pitch, and volume of the speech. You can preview the changes by pressing play next to Text to Preview.
Hi there, I'm your text-to-speech voice.
You can also change the language spoken by the text-to-speech option. Do so by clicking on the drop-down menu labeled More Languages and choosing from that list. Now we are going to move to the RTF file I have downloaded to my Google Docs from AIMVA and opened in a tab. Here, text can be selected and read out loud by holding down the search key while dragging the cursor over the text.
It was a long trip finally. The conductor called out Northborough. Hobby stepped onto the platform. The train pulled out of the station. No one was there to greet him. Have they forgotten about me? Hobby wondered. Just then a station went.
Text can also be highlighted and read out loud while Select to Speak is turned on by using the keyboard shortcut Search S. To turn off Select to Speak, simply press the Control or Search key. So let's review. To access the screen reader, Chromevox, go to the Systems menu in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Do you remember the keyboard shortcut to turn this feature on or off? That's right, it's Control-Alt-Z. To access Select to Speak, the built-in accessibility feature, which allows you to select specific text on a page to be read out loud, go to the Systems menu in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Can you think of one of the keyboard shortcuts to use to have text read out loud? If you said highlighting the text and pressing Search S, you are correct. So that concludes today's workshop on reading text out loud using Chromevox and Select to Speak, and what keyboard shortcuts can help one easily set these features. I know we covered a lot, and I hope you found this information helpful. And remember, we at AIMVA are always here to help.